In this video, I'll show you how to secure boot on Gigabyte BIOS. Firstly, restart your computer and press the appropriate key to enter BIOS like F2, delete or escape. On the BIOS, locate the Security tab or Boot tab depending on your system and look for the Screen Boot option. Under the Secure Boot option, check your system mode. If set up to audit mode, you'll need to switch it to user mode to enable secure boot. Just select user mode if it is not already set. Secure boot option is enabled. If prompt, you may need to run a command like restore factory keys to complete the process. Save your settings and exit the BIOS. Your system will now reboot with secure boot enabled. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.